Aamal company, one of Qatar's leading diversified firms, has joined forces with Germany's Niedax group, a century-old global leader in cable management systems. The two signed a memorandum of understanding to build a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Qatar. The signing ceremony was attended by senior officials from both countries, including Qatar's Minister of State for Foreign Trade Affairs and Germany's Minister for Economy and Energy, reflecting the strategic importance of this partnership for bilateral trade and industry cooperation.
This partnership aims to explore the establishment of glass fiber reinforced polymer production line in Qatar, demonstrates that how cooperation between our private sector can translate into tangible strategic outcomes.
The joint venture will produce advanced cable management products made from steel and reinforced materials, supporting infrastructure and industrial projects across Qatar and the wider region.
Niedax has invested a two-digit million amount, and after ramping up production, will employ 200 people at the site. And production will also be intended for export to other Gulf states.
The partnership brings global expertise to Qatar, supporting advanced manufacturing, creating jobs, and contributing to the country's long-term economic vision. Mohammed Alashi, Your News, Doha.